Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you another how to animate your product. So this is how to make ads in 2025 of May, and this is changing the game. So I just have in the background here, we're going to use Sora, and it's through OpenAI, ChatGPT. I got Higgsfield.ai. It's another new program. I'm going to also go into Kling, and I'm also going to go into VO through Google AI Studio. I'll put all the links down below, and this is just going to create an amazing marketing campaign for you for free. I'm going to start off with creating a fake product through ChatGPT. I'll show you the prompt, what it spits out, and I'm going to use that as my image, and I'm going to try to animate it through all these other programs. So let's get started. Okay, so I wanted to create a fake product. So my first product I made is just a can of tea that's made with mineral water. So it's called AQUA ZEN. It's just a tea. And I got ChatGPT to create me the prompt of the image. So I use this prompt to make the image. I'll show you what it comes out. And then prompt 2. This is the prompt I want to use to make my can. I thought it'd be cool to show it surfing on a wave. Throw this prompt in as well. So I like to create all my prompts in ChatGPT, and I'm going to take these to the other platforms. And here is the other image it created. It created 2. I like this image better. So we're going to go with this image. So the first thing we're going to do is import our image here and add the prompt. I'm going to set the settings here to high. I'm going to do a 2:3 ratio. And let's use image GPT and generate. Now I'm going to head over to Kling. I'm going to pop in my prompt here. 5 seconds, creativity, add the image. Let's run on Kling here. Now we're going to head over to VO2, Google AI Studio, pop in the prompt. I'm going to set this to 2 images, 6:9 ratio, duration, we can just do 6 seconds. You can add negative prompts, generate 2 results. All right, so now I'm in Sora through OpenAI ChatGPT. I'm going to add my image, describe my video, and I'm going to run. Added to queue. So I guess it goes into my media here, and this is where the media will come out. Results here, just to remember, here is the original image created through ChatGPT. Unfortunately, right now, you have to go through other platforms through OpenAI like Sora to get video generation, but it'll be really cool once ChatGPT will allow it. But let's go to Higgsfield. Higgsfield.ai. Let's see. Okay, wow. Wow, that was pretty impressive, to be honest. Okay, it's only 5 seconds, but wow, look at the water on the can, the sun, the animation. Like the surfboard doesn't stick out all the way, but that's pretty impressive. All right, let's head over to Kling. We got some not bad, not bad. Same thing, it's doing pretty good with the water splashes, but I'd have to say so far, Higgsfield's the best. Okay, let's head over to Google AI Studio. They give us 2 versions. Pretty good. Like, look at the water. It's very realistic, very, very cool. Pretty happy with that too. The sun coming over it. Okay, let's go to the other version. Pretty good. It's not surfing. It didn't really follow the instructions, but it did add the wave. And look at the water on the bottom of the can. Let's watch that again. All right, let's head over to Sora. This is through OpenAI. Well, they gave us 4. Okay, let's start on the first one. Okay, wow. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's go to the next version. I don't know what's going on there. Right. All right, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Between all these, I think like you can throw these into CapCut now and we can add some audio over top and you could even add some text. But let's go. It kind of changed the logo actually on the can. So I don't know about that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I actually like that one quite a bit. That's the best one, I think. All right, now I can do a little bonus here on the end of this video if you want to stick around. I'm going to show you guys a new AI audio tool. I'll do a whole video on audio and AI next, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this platform is called stability.ai. And let's see, I've never used it before. And it's good for audio apparently, as well as video, but let's see what it can do for us. Okay, so they have an example of a prompt here and they actually have a guide to guide you through prompts. So if you've never done it before, text to audio, and what you can do is you can view this, and I would take this whole thing, okay? This is a tip and trick. And those are examples, just a couple. And then I'm gonna throw it into ChatGPT. Okay, so what I did here is I just asked it to help me make a prompt from text to audio. I pasted the instructions below. I gave them the URL to the site and kind of I'm looking for like a chill hip hop medium tempo. And it's gonna read everything I gave it. Perfect. So now if I don't like this, they even gave me other variations for what I'm looking for. Laid back chill, 88 beats per minute, lo-fi, guitar licks, mellow bass line, soulful, urban. And this one's actually a lo-fi chill, 80%, features dusty drums, ambient guitar loop. Let's go with that. Okay, it has its own prompt library actually. So I created a prompt. I just realized this. I created this prompt, but they also have a prompt library. So if you're unsure, you can go here and it can kind of give you a prompt to save you time. But let's try mine. And duration, we don't need it 3 minutes. We need it, just do 15 seconds. Generate. Okay, that's actually super cool. So I'm gonna download it. What I'm gonna do now is head over to CapCut, create a video. If you've never used it, it's a pretty straightforward program. And we can add in the audio voiceover as well. So let's create a little prompt. All right, now we're heading over to ElevenLabs.
Introducing AQUA ZEN, mineral-rich tea crafted for calm, clarity, and refreshment. Enjoy it chilled or warm, and sip serenity anytime.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally together, talk plainly.
Kind of like a soft voice. Let's see.
Se você acha que pode, take a deep breath. Introducing AQUA ZEN, mineral-rich tea, crafted for calm, clarity, and refreshment. Enjoy it, chilled or warm, and sip serenity anytime.
Okay, so that's 15 seconds. Let's try it out.
Introducing AQUA ZEN, mineral-rich tea, crafted for calm, clarity, and refreshment. Enjoy it, chilled or warm, and sip serenity anytime. Introducing AQUA ZEN.
There you go, guys. Free.
Crafted for calm, clarity,
This is the future of marketing. And there's more. Stay tuned.
Chilled or warm, and sip serenity anytime.